Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this review helpful. Here's our in-depth look at the Kraken crypto investment platform. For your convenience, we've included links to Kraken in the description below. Kraken is a veteran cryptocurrency exchange platform designed for both novice and seasoned traders. Its strong reputation for security is a major draw. Kraken provides access to a diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies, from established names like Bitcoin and Ethereum to a wide selection of altcoins, offering opportunities for both trading and long-term investment. The platform boasts high liquidity, which is a significant advantage for traders executing large orders, minimizing price slippage. Kraken's user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate for beginners. However, it also offers advanced tools for more experienced users, including comprehensive charting, margin trading, and futures contracts. Security is a paramount concern at Kraken. The platform utilizes industry-leading security protocols, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold storage for safeguarding assets, and regular audits to ensure transparency and build trust. Furthermore, Kraken Security Labs actively works to identify and address potential vulnerabilities, providing an extra layer of protection for user funds. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned crypto investor, Kraken offers valuable features. Newcomers benefit from the user-friendly interface and available educational resources, while experienced traders can leverage Kraken's advanced tools like margin trading and futures contracts to execute complex strategies. Kraken supports a variety of deposit and withdrawal methods, including bank transfers, credit or debit cards, and wire transfers, catering to users globally. Kraken's fee structure is competitive, starting at 0.16% for market makers and 0.26% for market takers. High-volume traders can benefit from volume-based discounts, reducing their trading costs. Additionally, Kraken offers staking opportunities, allowing users to earn passive income by staking supported cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, Kraken is a reliable and secure platform catering to both beginners and seasoned traders. Its extensive selection of assets, robust security measures, competitive fee structure, and staking options make it a compelling choice for anyone interested in the crypto market. Explore Kraken further via the links in the description and determine if it aligns with your investment goals.